Waki wa barabara ya Waiyakiwe kuma James Gishuru nginyagia Kamadura ni uhotomete kwa ihinda ria thikũ ithano thutha wa kambuni iria iraka barabara ino kugirio kuhuthira mai kuma demu-ini ya Rugiri ni thirikari ya kaunti ya Kiambu. Undu uyu ni urehete ndugamano thirikari ya kaunti ya Kiambu ikiuga kuma riria kambuni ino yambiririe kuhuthira mai maya gutire undu ona umwe aikari aria mahuthagira demu ino magunikite naguo.
There was a misunderstanding between the two levels. We had the county government denying the obstruction of the...
Undu uyu ni ucungiriirie ritho ria munini wa county commissioner wa Kabete Malak na Mai uria wathanite kambuni ino itikirio mahuthire mai maya kuma demu-ini ino wa muira kugie na giikaro gatagati ga thirikari nene, thirikari ya kaunti ya Kiambu na kambuni iria iraka barabara ino.
We have agreed today in principle to allow the company China Oil to continue drawing the water as we continue discussing the matters that are still not agreed. The fears we had were that even the construction was almost getting to problem because one, they wanted to use the same water to water the road to minimize the dust and also for their day-to-day works.
Thirikari ya kaunti ya Kiambu ni renda kambuni ino yerethere uria andu aria nio ene mai maya mariteithikaga na uteithio uria mariheanaga makiuga mai maya mangithira aikari a Rugiri no magie na thina wa mai. Ngiribotera Kameme TV ritwa rakwa ni Wanjiru wa Foro.